Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Technical Knowledge with Engineers. Today we are going to see 25 most likely MCQs for university exam of semester 2. Subject is AEM Unit 3 Magnetic Material. So the first MCQs is the origin of basic source of magnetism is. Options are option A neutral particles alone, B movement of charged particle, C magnetic dipoles, D magnetic domain. So the correct option is B, that is movement of charged particle. Second, the unit of magnetic permeability is. Options are option A Tesla, B Henry, C Tesla per meter, D Henry per meter. So the correct answer is D Henry per meter. Third, the unit of magnetic field strength is. Options are option A Weber per meter square, B Weber per ampere meter, C ampere per meter, D Tesla per meter. So the correct answer is C, that is ampere per meter. Fourth, the example of diamagnetic material is. Options are option A silver, B iron, C oxygen, D ferrite. So the correct answer is A, that is silver. Fifth, example for ferromagnetic materials. Options are option A water, B aluminium, C bismuth, D magnetite. So the correct option is D magnetite. Sixth, the susceptibility of ferromagnetic material is. Options are option A negative, B small and positive, C large and positive, D none of the above. So the correct answer is C, large and positive. Seventh, materials in which magnetization present even after the field has been removed are called. Options are A diamagnetic, B paramagnetic, C soft ferromagnets, D hard ferromagnet. So the correct answer is D, that is hard ferromagnet. 8. Fill in the blanks is a measure of degree to which the field lines penetrate or permeate through the material. It is the ratio of magnetic induction to the magnetizing field. So the options are A absolute permeability, B magnetic susceptibility, C relative permeability, D none. So the correct answer is A, that is absolute permeability. Ninth, the value of B at h equals to 0 in a hysteresis curve is called A remanence, B corrosivity, C magnetization, D porosity. So the correct option is A remanence. 10th, the number of magnetic field line passing per unit area of cross section is called. Option A flux, B density, C magnetic field strength, D magnetic flux density. So the correct answer is D, that is magnetic flux density. 11th, the magnetic field can be produced by. Options are option A using permanent magnet, B electric current, C using a core, D both A and B. So the correct answer is D, that is both A and B. 12th, the magnetic field lines move from fill in the blanks outside the magnet. Options are option A north to south, B south to north, C west to east, D east to west. So the correct answer is A, that is north to south. 13. Fill in the blanks is the process of converting a non-magnetic material into a magnetic material. So the options are Option A, magnetic induction. B, magnetization. C, magnetic field strength. D, hysteresis. So the correct option is B, that is magnetization. Relation between B and H is given by. Options are option A, B equals to mu by H. Option B, B equals to mu H. Option C, B equals to H by mu. Option D, H equals to mu B. So the correct option is option B, that is B equals to mu H. 15. Which of the following equations is correct? Option A, mu r equals to 1 minus sustainability. Option B, mu r equals to 1 plus sustainability. Option C, mu r plus 1 equals to sustainability. Option D, sustainability plus 1 equals to mu r. So the correct option is option B, that is mu r equals to 1 plus sustainability. 16. The magnetic field at which residual magnetism of the material is reduced to zero called as. Options are option A, retentivity. B, corrosivity. C, magneton. D, switching of the magnetic field. So the correct option is option B, that is corrosivity. 17. Which of the following materials do not possess atomic magnetic dipole moment? Options are option A, diamagnetic material. Option B, paramagnetic material. Option C, ferromagnetic material. Option D, ferrimagnetic material. So the correct answer is option A, that is diamagnetic material. 18. Which of the following is a weak magnet? Options are option A, ferromagnetic material. Option B, ferrimagnetic. Option C, hard ferrite. Option D, diamagnetic. So the correct answer is D, that is diamagnetic. 19. If a material is paramagnetic, what will be the value of sustainability? Option A, negative. Option B, small and positive. Option C, large and positive. Option D, none of the above. So the correct option is option B, that is small and positive. 20. Which of the following is the correct expression for Kerr law? From the following expression, option B is the correct answer, which is allow the Kerr law. 21. Material with large area of hysteresis lobe are called. Options are option A, paramagnetic material. Option B, diamagnetic material. Option C, hard magnetic material. Option D, soft magnetic material. So the correct answer is C, that is hard magnetic material. 22. Fill in the blanks exhibit negative magnetic susceptibility. Options are option A, paramagnetic material. Option B, diamagnetic material. Option C, ferromagnetic materials. Option D, ferrimagnetic material. So the correct answer is option B, that is diamagnetic material. 23. Find the relative permeability of the ferromagnetic material if a magnetic field of strength of 220 ampere per meter produces magnetization of 3300 ampere per meter in it. From the formula, when we solve it, we get The answer, that is option A, is 16. 24. The ratio of absolute permeability of the material to the permeability of the free space is called. Options are option A, magnetic field, option B, magnetic susceptibility, option C, relative permeability, option D, magnetic induction. So the correct answer is option C, that is relative permeability. 25. In which of the following materials the magnetic momentums align themselves parallel to each other in each domain without applying external magnetic field? Options are option A, paramagnetic material, option B, ferromagnetic material, option C, antiferromagnetic material, D, diamagnetic material. So the correct answer is B, that is ferromagnetic material. Thank you.